If you dry wet clothes or towels inside your home, then I've got a warning for you. If your windows look like this, your home can go mouldy. Condensation on the inside of your windows is a clear sign there's too much moisture in the air, which is what causes mould to develop in homes. And this is usually a result of drying wet clothes and towels inside, especially in the winter months when it's a lot colder and wetter, as the moisture has nowhere to go. So I use these internal dehumidifiers to stop that from happening. They're super versatile, so there's no wires or electrics. You can literally put them anywhere in your home. They work by extracting moisture and keeping it inside here. So I just started chucking one in each room in the house, and I'm never having to deal with that condensation anymore. As of the time of recording, these are actually currently out of stock, but if they come back in at any point before I post, I'll link them in the yellow basket below.